Good day everyone and welcome to my vintage kitchen. Do you guys believe in lucky charms? Do you believe in lucky food? If you do, you have to have lentils for New Year. Italians believe it's lucky, it brings luck and prosperity. Hungarian believes it's lucky, Jewish believe it's lucky, so why don't we believe it's lucky and we make it for our New Year's Eve? If you don't believe in lucky food, you should believe in science, and science said eating lentil is very beneficial to our health. It has lots of minerals, vitamins, fiber. We do have to include it in our diet. So without further ado, let's make it. But before we start, if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please do it now. Hit this button, hit this bell, hit this like button. It's very important to my channel. And without further ado, let's go. We start by preparing our vegetables. Squeeze garlic. Roughly chop your celery stick. Peel your onion, but keep it whole. Insert couple cloves into the onion. Wash and rinse your lentils. Put it in a small saucepan and cover with a broth or water. Put all your vegetables inside. Bring it to boil, then lower heat and cook until tender for about 20 to 25 minutes. Chop your carrots, and after 10 minutes your lentil is boiling, add your carrots. In the meanwhile, we'll prepare the dressing. Whisk the olive oil, mustard and balsamic vinegar together until thick. Add some salt, pepper and chopped parsley. After your lentils is ready, remove onion, garlic and celery sticks. Keep the garlic. If you have any water left, you can drain it. Okay guys, last couple touches, our salad is almost ready. We remove all the vegetables, we throw it away. The only thing we keep is garlic. If you have any water left, you drain it. We put our lentil in the bowl. Then we do our dressing. We put this cooked garlic inside. You just squeeze it like this. You put inside chopped parsley and you mix it together. And it's ready to eat. Okay, time to try. I'm gonna eat from the fancy plate for the pictures. Include it on your New Year table. Believe in this luck. And I see you next time. Don't forget to subscribe.